In Texas, welcome to the 2026 World Baseball Classic on Fox, presented by Capital One. It's the matchup that Pool B has waited for. USA and Mexico both cruised through their first two games, and ready for this head-to-head matchup. Paul Skenes heads out there, ready to make his Team USA WBC debut. USA has not beaten Mexico in the World Baseball Classic since the first one 20 years ago.
Yeah, and that goes along ever seen.
It's home with another 2-3. Fouled into the draw for strike three. He starts this game with a strikeout. This is in. Pulls it down the line. Took a funny hop, but a good adjustment by Jonathan Aranda for out number two. The 0-1 to Judge. Pulled through the left side and a two-out base hit. So Judge, the first, the guy right at the top of the totem pole. Judge singled his first time.
I got this. I am reincarnated. I was stargazing. Life goes on. I need all my babies. Woke up looking for the broccoli. Hot key, keep a horn on me. That could my seat. IP ownership. The blueprint is by me. Mr. Get Off, I get off at my feet.
Ticket with a few of his minor league teammates.
I am reincarnated. I was stargazing. Life goes on. I need all my babies. Woke up looking for the broccoli. Hot key, keep a horn on me. That could my seat. IP ownership. The blueprint is by me. Mr. Get Off, I get off at my feet.
WBC debut. Mexico trying to chip away with Kirk at the plate. And he comes one diving across the diamond. That was impossible. Bobby Witt. Texas on a 2-2.
Y arriba yo, mi papá y la chona.
Top of the eighth inning, top of the order. Duran leads it off.
Y arriba yo, mi papá y la chona.
The Air Force Reserves, a graduate of the Air Force Academy, and Griffin Jacks taking over a game that Paul Skenes started. Alejandro Kirk's the hitter. Mexico scored 3 straight runs to get the tying run up there. Chopper, left side. Play finishes off the eighth.